Hunnies, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're just tuning in, welcome also. Do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so you know every time I post a video. So today we're going to be doing a Bantu knot tutorial, and basically my hair is in 8 sections. It's crazy, but in 8 sections. I washed and conditioned my hair yesterday, so I'm just going to be working in sections and all that. So basically, there's leave-in conditioner in my hair from yesterday. Also, I used the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. This one is my leave-in conditioner, my go-to. Basically, today I'm going to be using these beautiful textures called the Mousse. I'm going to be using plain old water, and I'm also going to be using some clips to section my hair and all that. And yes, a rat tail comb for good parts. I'm going to start by putting water to make sure my hair is down. After that, I'm going to section the first section. I'm going to take a little bit and I'm going to just use 2 palms in that section and okay then. And I'm going to twist it like a regular 2-strand twist. I'll just swirl the end. Take the twist and roll it around itself. So 1 down, more to go. So honeys, I really like the end result, and I'm going to be taking it out for a day or two. This is how it's looking like, and it's very loose. It isn't tight, so I'm not in any pain or anything. So make sure it isn't too tight when you're doing it, and I'm just going to make sure it dries. So honeys, it's been 2 days of me working my BANTU out, and I really love the style because my hair was away. I didn't have to style my hair, I didn't have to do nothing to my hair. I just had to like sleep and wake up like this, and you know, I love the hairstyle, to be honest, like totally. So now it's time for me to unravel this BANTU. So basically, ooh, see how my hair is coiling up. It's gonna be a bomb hairstyle. So guys, basically to unravel it, you're gonna twist it in the opposite direction that you did it, and oop, it's out. This is going to be very lovely though. Like, I really love the way it's coiling back up. So now, time to unravel the twist, because you guys know I twisted my hair first. So this is so lovely. So now I'm going to separate. So remember to separate basically where your hair naturally wants to separate, you know, so you wouldn't cause so much frizz. Peep them curls after unraveling everything. It's really nice. I really like the style, but let's be honest, this is too small for me. I do not like it. It's too, you know, compact. I like my hair kind of a little bit out there and a little bit wild, you know. Yeah, but it's too, yeah, it's different though, but it's cute, but I'm not with it. So basically I'm going to get my afro pick and I'm going to like pick it up. So guys, this is my first time ever using the beautiful textures called Defining Mousse, and I must say I really like the product. It gave me shine, it gave me definition. My hair is coily, it feels soft. Yes, and I actually really like this style. This is my first time ever doing a bantu knot out, and ooh, I love, even though it's quite shrunken or it's quite curled up, it's really cute. Basically, this is my result and I really love it. If you've not given this video a thumbs up, yes, please do that and click on the bell button so you know every time I post a video. And also don't forget to comment something. Hi, what's up? You can comment down below in the comment section, and also check out the description box. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.